Hey guys, welcome to Development. In today's video, we are going to solve this problem. So it is called as the rotated triangle problem. So it is a pattern problem. Let's try to solve this problem now. So we have to print this type of pattern. Our n is the input and the value of n is 3. Let's analyze it. So how we can solve the problem. This is the pattern. So we have to print this type of pattern. So let's analyze how much row we have to print and how much columns we have to print. So in this there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 rows. So there are 5 rows and 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 columns. So from here there are space as well. As you can see here. So here is the space, here is the space, and here is the space. Here, and here. There are 6 spaces. Okay. So we have given n is equal to 3. The size of n is 3 here. That means the number of rows we can print only 3. But here the number of rows are 5. So we have to print 5 rows and total number of rows n that we have given is 3. So we have to print odd number of rows. If we print odd number of rows, then only this will be symmetric. Okay. So from this there is symmetry. Okay. As you can see, there is a formula for odd number. So 2 into n minus 1. 2 into n minus 1. This is the formula through which we can print odd numbers. So let's say here n is equal to 3. Okay. So 3 into 2, that is 6, and 6 minus 1, that will be 5. So what will be our outer loop? For int r is equal to 0 to I should less than 2n minus 1. Okay. So till here the loop will be run. Outer loop represented as rows. Okay. And the inner loop will represented as columns. Now we have to print the columns. So as you can see here, so till here stars are increasing from here. Okay. Till here. At this point the stars are increasing. Now after that the stars are decreasing, as you can see here. So we apply the logic till here. After then we can reverse. So as we have done in the diamond problem. So I've created a video on it. So if you want to watch, I will give in the link in the description. So you can go and watch. So what I have done there. So I have created logic till here and we have just reversed that array. So that means our lower part will be gets same. Okay. But here is the catch, because here is proper symmetric row, because here is only one row. If we write the logic till here only, and if we reverse that triangle, then one more extra row will be occurred. So we don't want that row, because this is the pattern, so the pattern will be changed. So till here we will print the increasing numbers of stars. Okay. And after that we will give the condition. If our I, that is the outer loop, is greater than our n, then we have to print the stars in decreasing orders. Okay. So we will just give the condition as 2 into n minus I. So as you can see, let's say n is 3 now, as you all know. And in this case, let's say we are here, so I is greater than n. Okay, let's say 4, I is equal to 4. Then what we will do, we will give this condition. If our given n is greater than our rows, then we will give this condition. So 2 here, we will calculate also. 2 into 3 minus 4. Okay, so we'll give this condition. Now what will be the calculation of it? So 2 into 3, that is 6. 6 minus 4, that will be 2. Okay, now in the next line we will print 2 stars. Okay, so here, as you can see, now next I will be gets updated. Now I will be become 5. Okay, let's say I will be become 5, and here also we will apply this condition itself. So let's say now I is equal to 5, then we'll multiply 2 into 3, n is there 3 only, minus I is 5. Okay, now 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 5. Okay, so there will be answer will be 1. Okay, so you have to print 1 star. So this is the star. So like this we can solve the problem. Now let's code it now. So for int I is equal to 0, I should less than or equal to 2 into n minus 1, and I will get updated. Okay, so this is the outer loop. Now here we will take a variable int stars. You can take any variable, and I will store I to it. Okay, and here we will give the condition. If our star, that is I, is greater than our n, then here we will update star is equal to 2 into n minus I. So as we have discussed, if our I that is row is greater than our n, then we will decrease the stars. So we have given this condition 2 into n minus I. Okay, further we have to print simply stars. So int j is equal to 0, j should less than stars. So here we will take star. Star is referred as I only here, and j will get updated. Now here we will simply print star. Okay, and here we will give the print for next line. This is the outer loop we have to print. Okay, so till 5, and so I've created a variable star, and in that I have stored I, and here we have given a condition. If our stars, that is nothing but the rows, is greater than our n is the given number 3. Okay, then we have to give this condition 2 into n minus I, that is we have to decrease the stars from that condition. Okay, if that condition exceeds, so we have to decrease the stars, and then simply we have to print the stars. Okay, so for that we have run a loop. J is equal to 0 to j should less than our star. Star is nothing but the row only, and j will gets updated. And here we have simply printed the star, and this is for the next line. Now let's run the code. So as you can see, all the test cases has been passed. Okay, so I will submit the code now. As you can see, my code has been submitted. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.